Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. You did read the title correct. I have purchased a project bike to work on over the winter. I am super excited about that. But before I get into, just briefly talking about that, part of this video I wanted to do, I woke up this morning and saw a little bit of sad news on YouTube. I saw that Easy Rider posted a video that he kind of crashed his motorcycle there. If you guys don't know Easy Rider, he's one of the nicest guys on YouTube, and Easy Rider, I'm thinking about you, hoping for a speedy recovery. I'm a little worried about you. I've thrown some comments your way that you haven't replied to, and you usually always reply very fast, so I hope you're okay. Wishing you a speedy recovery. Let's all give him some love. I have 440 something subscribers, guys. If all of us go over there and give Easy Rider some love, maybe he could get he'll have 400 and something subscribers. Man, he didn't deserve that. I didn't see the speed bump at all that he hit that took him down. Terrible. And the other thing of this is alright guys, for a couple minutes here, you are going to get Construction Carl from the construction site, not the filtered YouTube Carl. Alright, so I looked at the thing. I would love to know who the two shitbags are that can leave a thumbs down on the guy's video of him taking a spill. Alright, it's raw footage. It happened. What's the matter? He didn't get critically hurt for you? Give me thumbs down. I don't give a crap. You give a guy thumbs down that just took a wipeout, you're a shitbag. Alright, now the edited Carl is back, the YouTube Carl. Alright guys, so with that being said about Easy Rider, get well my friend. Alright, and back to talking about the winter project bike. If you saw my last video, it's sitting in my garage. I put a little elephant on it. See how many people noticed the elephant in the room during my video. A couple people did. But I'm super excited about that. It's going to be my winter project. And I want to take you guys from beginning to end through the, what I need to do to register this bike and getting it registered, insured, what's wrong with it, what needs to be fixed. I'm going to I believe I'm going to strip it down for the most part, clean it all up. If I need to get stuff painted, fix anything that's broken. So it's going to be a real exciting project. So if you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm dropping videos. Hit the like button. I'll tell you this much right now. I'm planning on doing a video, to introduce what I've done, what I'm going to be doing. And right now I'll tell you just a little bit about myself. I'm an electrician. I've been a union electrician for 30 years. And I'm not an auto mechanic. My father, my uncle, any kid will tell you growing up that their father is the best, but I'm going to tell you guys, my father was the best. I could remember growing up and one of the kids in the neighborhood, his dad was a mechanic too, and the two of us used to go back and forth all the time. If my father would have went over there and asked for advice, I'd hear, oh, my dad's better than yours. If my dad went over to his house to ask him something, you know how that goes with kids. But to this day, I'm still going to say my father's the best. So if you're watching, Dad, you're the best. And I'm going to be coming to you for some advice if I need it to get this bike fixed, even though you're retired. Alright, so like I said, I'm not a professional mechanic. I did order the shop manual for the bike. Gonna figure it out. So guys, follow along with me, and we're gonna go on this adventure together, figure it out, see what we can do. I do have some mechanical abilities and background being an electrician, but you guys could be the judge. Let's see how much stuff I screw up and what it cost me. Alright, so coming up to the old Sacred Heart University airfield. Started out as a little tiny school, and now it's a huge university. So guys, I think that's going to end it for this video. Keep an eye out. I'm going to do a video of the other tool from RevZilla. Haven't had a chance to do that one yet. And then I'm going to have a little sit down and, you know, tell you a little bit about buying the bike and going through some stuff and getting these videos started. Like I said, it's a winter project, but stuff that's starting now, I'll fill you in on. So follow along. Should be cool. I'm very, very excited. Like, I don't know if I said it or not, but I'm gonna have a reveal. I gotta figure out the subscriber number that I want to be at for the reveal. I think I have a good idea, but I'll let you know. Alright, so this is Carl saying, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Get well, Easy Rider.